Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best sweeping robot, selected for their intelligent navigation, quiet operation, and hands-free scheduling for consistently clean living spaces every day indoors effortlessly. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Donirt Automatic Sweeping Robot. The Donirt Automatic Sweeping Robot is designed to simplify everyday floor care through a balance of intelligent automation and practical performance. With built-in app control, users can start, stop, or monitor cleaning remotely, making it easy to maintain clean floors even when away from home. Automatic recharging ensures the robot returns to its dock when battery levels drop, then resumes work fully powered. Its 1200 PA suction delivers consistent performance for dust, crumbs, and fine debris, while 3 adjustable suction levels allow customization for quiet maintenance cleaning or stronger daily pickup. The slim 7.5cm body helps it reach under furniture, and the obstacle clearance design improves coverage in tight spaces. Multiple sensors provide reliable anti-collision and anti-fall protection, allowing safe navigation around furniture and stairs. Intelligent route planning minimizes missed spots and unnecessary repetition, improving overall efficiency. Sweeping and mopping functions are combined in one unit, making it suitable for routine household maintenance. With simple setup, intuitive app control, and hands-free operation, the Donirt Automatic Sweeping Robot is a practical option for users seeking dependable, low-effort cleaning support in apartments or medium-sized homes. Number 2. DUTRIEUX Y606 Sweeping Robot. The DUTRIEUX Y606 sweeping robot positions itself as a premium all-in-one cleaning solution with advanced automation and strong performance capabilities. Equipped with an impressive 10,000 PA suction system, it handles fine dust, pet hair, and larger debris across carpets, tile, marble, and wood surfaces. Precision laser mapping and intelligent navigation allow it to create accurate multi-floor maps, ensuring efficient, repeatable cleaning paths without random movement. The Viberize 3.0 sonic mopping system enhances stain removal with high-frequency scrubbing while automatically lifting the mop on carpets to prevent moisture transfer. Edge and corner cleaning are improved through a rotating mop design that reaches closer to walls for a more complete finish. Smart features include app control, voice assistant compatibility, customizable no-go zones, and scheduling options. The self-emptying, self-washing, self-drying, and self-refilling dock significantly reduces manual maintenance, making it well-suited for busy households. With quiet operation, advanced obstacle recognition, and integrated smart home support, the Y606 is built for users seeking high-end automation and comprehensive cleaning with minimal daily involvement.
Number 3. Donirt Drag Sweeping Robot. The Donirt Drag Sweeping Robot offers a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning approach, combining sweeping, suction, and mopping in a single compact unit. Powered by up to 2,000 pass suction, it effectively removes everyday dirt, dust, and pet hair from hard floors with high efficiency. Its main brush and dual side brush configuration improves edge coverage, ensuring debris along walls and corners is collected more effectively. Multiple cleaning modes, including random, zigzag, fixed point, and edge cleaning, provide flexibility for different room layouts and cleaning needs. Automatic docking allows the robot to return for charging once battery levels drop, reducing user intervention. Anti-fall and anti-collision systems help protect the unit while navigating stairs and obstacles. An added UV sterilization function enhances hygiene by reducing surface bacteria during cleaning. Designed primarily for home environments up to 120 square meters, it offers straightforward remote control operation without complex scheduling features. With reliable suction, practical safety systems, and integrated mopping, the Donirt Drag Sweeping Robot is a functional option for users seeking affordable, multi-purpose floor cleaning on hard surfaces. Number 4. Donirt Integrated Sweeping Robot. The Donirt Integrated Sweeping Robot focuses on convenience, combining intelligent navigation with simple app-based control for everyday cleaning. Its automatic recharge function allows the robot to return to its dock when power runs low, ensuring consistent readiness for future sessions. With 1200 pass suction power and 3 selectable suction levels, it adapts well to light dust, daily debris, and more demanding cleaning tasks. The integrated sweeping and mopping design supports routine maintenance on hard floors, while the slim profile improves access under furniture. Intelligent route planning reduces overlap in missed areas, helping the robot clean rooms systematically rather than randomly. Built-in anti-collision and anti-fall sensors enhance safe operation around furniture edges and stand cases. Users can start cleaning remotely through the mobile app, making it easy to manage cleaning schedules without manual supervision. Designed with ease of use in mind, the Donirt integrated sweeping robot offers balanced performance for small to medium homes, providing dependable automated cleaning without excessive complexity or maintenance requirements.
Number 5. SHUYAO X9 Pro Sweeping Robot. The SHUYAO X9 Pro Sweeping Robot is engineered for high-performance cleaning with advanced vacuum and mopping technology. Featuring an exceptionally powerful 16,600 pass suction system, it delivers deep cleaning results across a wide range of floor types, including carpets and hard surfaces. The Osmo roller mopping system enhances stain removal through continuous self-washing, ensuring the mop remains clean throughout each session. A zero-tangle brush design minimizes hair wrap, making it particularly suitable for homes with pets. The integrated Omni docking station automates dust emptying, mop washing, drying, and water refilling, significantly reducing hands-on maintenance. Intelligent navigation and obstacle detection ensure precise coverage while avoiding furniture and tight spaces. With strong suction, consistent mopping pressure, and automated upkeep, the X9 Pro is designed for users who prioritize powerful performance and minimal manual involvement. Its advanced systems support thorough, efficient cleaning cycles, making it a strong choice for larger homes or households with higher cleaning demands. And that wraps up the top 5 best sweeping robot. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.